What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Shay'Elaine, and welcome back to my channel. Way too Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on yet another review of a really interesting product. But before we get into it, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you are notified every single time I post a video. This channel really is for everyone. You get a little hair, you get a little makeup, body positivity, some quick reviews. So go ahead and join the family. I cannot wait to see you all. And yeah, let's get on into it. So today's video is not sponsored, but it is about a company called HiSmile Teeth Whitening. Let me see if you guys can get that. Teeth whitening kit. Now, I've been seeing these kits like literally all over Instagram, and I wanted to try them out. There was this one in another company. I might end up still trying the other companies, but I wanted to try this one out first. It was pretty inexpensive. It was like $55 for the kit, and I just got the kit by itself. You could get like all this other stuff, toothpaste and stuff, but I didn't get any of that. I just got the kit by itself to see if it would work. So at night, basically, I would brush my teeth and floss and use mouthwash and all that stuff, and then I would use this kit. Now in the kit, I've already used it, so it's empty basically now, but you get 3 of these little tubes, and each tube is 2 usages. So 1 tube every 2 days, and you get 3 of them, so it's 6 treatments. Now I didn't film all 6. I did use all 6, obviously. The kit is not empty, but I got some pretty good results. So anyway, then you get this little grip thingy, and I guess the light that activates it, and it's blue, and this goes on top of this like this, and then it goes in your mouth with the gel. 1/4, or I guess that's 2/4. I don't know, I didn't really do math that great. But yeah, you put 1/4 on the top, 1/4 on the bottom. That's what I'm trying to say. Y'all got me. So I'm gonna let you guys kind of watch what I did for the past few days, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you guys what I thought about the product. Okay? All right, you guys, so I'm getting ready to get ready for bed, but I wanted to try out this HiSmile kit, and it's supposed to give you, I want to say, a week's worth of supplies. This is what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to try this because I wanted to whiten my teeth and see if it works. Whether or not it will or will not, we'll find out. But hey, my teeth are somewhere in there, so I want to get it all the way down to 1. So let's see how this works. Alright, so I'm reading these instructions as I'm doing this. And literally, let me close this door because my son's making noise. So this is what it looks like. You have to attach this part here to this part. So that's what I'm doing now. Let's see if I can get it in there. I washed it, so it's a little wet, but I want to just stick it in the mouth and have it washed. Why is it so difficult? Oh my god. Okay, wait a minute. I think I got it. I think. Maybe not. Alright. So after 100 times later, I finally got it in there. Well, just fit in your mouth like that. So you take this little applicator. There's 3 of them. It's supposed to last you for 6 days. So let's see how this will be done. You take a little top off. Okay, so you apply 1/4 to get yeah, 1/4 to the top, and then 1/4 to the bottom tray, and then put it in your mouth. So syringe. That's about 1. Oh, it's like a little measuring thing, so it actually tells you what's 1/4. Okay, so that's 1/4 there, and this is another 1/4 here. So each one of these should give you 2. Ew. It doesn't taste bad, but all right, day one. It's day one. I gotta say, I don't really see anything different, but it's only been a day, so I'm gonna tuck this bad boy away. Catch y'all on day two. Oh, let me try that. Okay, maybe I lied. Maybe they get a little lighter. So this is day 3 of this little situation, and it's not going terrible. It's not giving me spectacularly white teeth like I thought it would, but it's not bad either. So day 3, let's take a look at where I am. I'm putting all the little skis. I'm putting a little gel on here, and these are my teeth. Sorry, I'm doing my skincare routine at the same time. Make sure you check out that video. But this is like 30 minutes that it holds on here, I think, so I can finish my skincare routine while I am doing this. So we'll see. All right, guys, so that's that. Yeah, I got 2 more treatments left to go. It's not, I don't know if it's the light or not. Let me try to, maybe. Let's move in this room where the light is like less yellow. Okay, maybe I should have started in this room. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. We'll see. I got 2 more left, and hopefully it works. Guys, so I'm trying to keep the same lighting for you guys, but this is, I definitely see a difference. They're definitely getting lighter. I just feel like you might need longer than the recommended treatment, because yeah, in here it looks way different, but in that mirror, yeah, they look definitely different. So I got 1 more to go, and hopefully it'll do what it's supposed to do. Maybe. Okay, guys, so I did kind of skip a few days, like I said, in shooting in between all of this, but I did use the whole thing. For the most part, as you saw, I lost a little strip that I use to kind of see what color it started at, my teeth, and then what color it ended at, but I can definitely tell a difference. It didn't, you know, whiten my teeth all the way to the first one, which is what I was kind of hoping for. But I think if you used it a bunch of times, like if you got several of these kits or teeth whitening, toothpaste and all that stuff, it might actually work a little bit better for you. So I might try them again. Like I said, it wasn't expensive. It was like $55 for the kit. It might be different now, but I'll double check and put the link for it in the description. And if you're trying to save on some coins, sis or bruh, you can use like Afterpay for this, because they're trying to make it affordable, I guess. So anyway, the gel, let's start with that. The gel does not taste funny at all. It doesn't taste like mint. It doesn't really taste like anything. It's definitely jelly, but it doesn't have a distinctive taste to it. So that was good, that I wasn't like tasting something super gross or toxic in my mouth. It lasted on my teeth. Yeah, you put 1/4 on top and 1/4 on the bottom. Okay, yeah. So the timer was automatically on there for like 10 minutes. On some days, I try to put it on there for a little bit more than 10 minutes and just kind of leave it there to see if that would help. And that, I think, did. So for me, it only whitened my teeth 1 shade, I think, whiter than what I started at. Not bad results, but I just kind of wish it was a little bit better. The gel didn't taste funny. It wasn't like painful or anything. It was actually pretty quick and painless if you really want to think about it that way. So would I recommend this kit? I would say if your teeth are already lighter, like if you have like what was like number 7 or 8, like super dark, like orange, like the tint of my glasses, then no, do not get this. It's only gonna lighten your teeth maybe 1 shade. But if you have like closer to 2 and you want to get to 1, or closer to 3 and you want to get to 2 or 1, then yes, you can get this and it will lighten your teeth some. But you're not about to get like pearly whites with this kit with the one-time use of it. This is not for you. So I hope you guys just kind of keep that in mind when you're thinking about whether or not you're gonna get this. So, but that really is it, you guys. If you have any questions that I didn't answer already in this video, or want to know anything more about it, like I said, it's not sponsored, so I don't have any coupon codes for you guys or anything like that. You're gonna have to pay for it regularly, but I'm gonna hook y'all up, you know, with the info. But yeah, so thank you guys very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this kit, or if you tried any other kits that I should try to kind of get me to that pearly white stage. Yeah, because you know, I'm trying to have $1 million smile out here. Just saying. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to follow me on Insta. I'm gonna put it right there for you. It's also in the description. Follow me on Facebook and all social media platforms. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Love you, love you, love you. Bye.
Best.